Rhymes World!
A is for apple, juicy and red.
B is for ball, we bounce it on the bed.
C is for cat.
Who likes to play?
D is for dog.
Who runs all day? E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, swimming along.
G is for goat.
Munching on hay,
H is for hat.
we wear every day. I is for ice cream, yummy and sweet.
J is for jelly, a wobbly treat.
K is for kite, flying so high.
L is for lion, with a loud roar cry. M is for monkey, climbing a tree.
N is for nest, with birds so free.
O is for orange, round and bright.
P is for penguin,
Dressed in white.
Q is for queen, wearing a crown.
R is for rabbit, hopping up and down.
S is for sun, shining so bright.
T is for train, moving with might. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, playing nearby.
W is for whale, swimming in the sea.
X is for xylophone,
Music with glee. Y is for yak, with shaggy hair.
Z is for zebra, with stripes to wear.
Now we